Hi, third grade. My name is Mrs. Schaffart. I teach at Bennington Elementary School, and I miss you guys so much. I want to teach a ticka lesson with you today. We have a classical song called the Can Can that's really catchy. You've probably heard of it before. And then you're going to need a pencil and paper for the second half of the lesson. So if you want to pause at any time to go grab that, that would be awesome. So the first thing I want to do is read the rhythm of the Can Can with ticka tickas, tas, tis. And I'm going to point and you're going to read with me, okay? Ready? Here we go. Ta, ticka ticka, ti, ticka ticka, ti, ticka ticka, ticka ticka, ticka ticka, ta, ticka ticka, ti, ticka ticka, ti, ticka ticka, ticka ticka, ta. And that part comes back a whole bunch of times in the song. And it doesn't start with that part, it comes back in a little bit later, but I just want you to just say it to yourself while the song is playing, and that's what I'm going to help you with. This is the A section. We will start on the B section. Get ready. So don't go anywhere because we still got more to do. All right, I have my recorder in hand because we're going to do some dictation, which means I'm going to play a pattern with ticka ticka in it, and you're going to write it down on your piece of paper. So again, if you need to go and grab your piece of paper and pencil, go for it and pause it and come right back. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to draw 16th notes. Okay, so we've got 4 note heads, 4 stems, and 2 beams. Remember that you have to draw 2 beams and not 1, okay? And we've also got ts and tas. I might even throw a rest in there, a sideways Z and a C. We'll see what I feel like. Or I might even throw in a half note. Remember, that one's not filled in. Now, if at any time you want to make it a little easier to draw, you can just do the stems with no note heads. You can do that for TT or ta. You can do it for rest. It is pretty easy. And half note, it looks the same if you just do the stick notation, okay? So we are gonna get started. I'm gonna give you my first pattern. I'm gonna play it 3 times, and that'll give you a chance to kind of write it down. Let's say you only know beat 1 and 2, write those down. Let's say you only heard beat 4, write that down. So each hearing, add a little bit more to your thing. Sometimes my students, I like to say draw 4 hearts on your paper and draw your 4 note values underneath it. So that's a great idea if you want to try that. Okay, so my first pattern, here it is. Ready, listen. I'm giving you a little bit of think time to write. Also notice my foot keeps the beat for you in case that thud kind of helps you find those 4 heartbeats, and you can draw underneath them. So here's the pattern again, same pattern. Here I go. Here it is again. Ready, and that is the answer. Ticka ticka tee tee ta ta. Good job. And let's say you didn't get it right, no problem. I've done this plenty of times where I got the answer wrong, so it just takes practice, practice, practice. All right, here is the next one. Ready, listen. Here it is again. Ready, go. And the last time, here I go. So we have ticka ticka tee tee, ticka ticka ta. And there is your answer. All right. Let me find another one. Here's one. Ready, go. Here I go. And the last hearing, here I go. Now remember, if you draw a half note, which is the first one, you cannot draw anything under the second part, because that's the second beat and the half note is still going through. So we've got ta, and then we have ticka ticka ta. And you don't have to draw that line in there, but if that line helps you to remember to not draw anything in the next beat after it, then great. So that was my last one, 3rd grade, and I hope that you are having a great time at home, and we sure miss you and hope that you're doing well. Bye, guys.